Welcome. In this video I will show you how to prevent your REALME P3 Lite from heating while you're charging it. First thing worth mentioning is that it is completely normal if you're charging your device using a fast charging cable and a fast charging charger. Still, if you want to reduce the amount of overheating, you can check for background apps causing heat and high power consumption. To do that, go to settings, go to battery, and then check the battery usage. Unfortunately, I cannot see any applications and the stats of the applications draining the battery on the smartphone, since I still have to charge it fully and wait for a couple of hours after that. But if you see the list of applications here, you can spot the applications at the top of the list that use the most of your battery, and in order to manually disable their background activity on your phone, you have to go back to settings, open apps, and go to app management, and select the app that you want to, for which you want to disable the background activity. Select battery usage for it and disallow battery usage by switching this toggle to the left. Okay, the next thing that you should consider is using the original charger and cable, and I highly recommend using original REALME cable and REALME charger for this phone. Also, in order to improve heat dissipation, remove the protective case from your device. And the last advice I want to share with you is two advice actually. One is keeping your device in a cool, well-ventilated area while you're charging it, and the other one is not using your device while charging it, as this also increases your battery overheating while charging. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.